Hey guys, welcome on board. Hope you're energized and ready to paint this lovely child with me. And let's take a look at our workspace first. So I'm using the brushes, round brushes, number 1, 6, and 14. Also, we need paper. I use the special watercolor paper, and I use the 200 pounds hot press and watercolor set Nevska Palitra White Nights, which is a professional watercolor. But obviously, any watercolor set, semi-professional, professional that you use would be fine. I speed up the video here as sketching is quite slow, and well, you should take your time and do it in your own pace. And well, the rest videos will be in real time. Alright, so back to art supplies. We will need soft pencil HB or 2B, eraser, water cup, tissue, well, a lot of tissue. Somebody use the palette. I don't. I like to mix colors already on the paper, on my painting. And reference photo of a Vietnamese child. So you can download a photo from the course attachments and print it or look at it from the screen, whatever is more comfortable for you.